I'm the only important YouTuber here. Don't subscribe to the guy you're watching right now.
Okay, that sarcastic little jerk there was... His name is Killermod Crafter. Subscribe to his channel. Hello, YouTube. I am Lord Panda the Best. This is my first video. Yay! It's a horror game.
If you wanna watch a YouTuber that uploads more than twice or 3 times a week, watch me.
Anyways, this is a horror game called White Noise, where 7 people have disappeared and there's only tape recorders left to find them. And we're here to find those tape recorders. And there's a monster who's going to kill us every time we see him.
Hey, don't go that way.
Oh yeah, there's an alien egg. Yeah, let's not go that way. This is a Slender knockoff, by the way. The flashlight does go on and off. It dies. You can run. It disappeared? Man, Elvis, you just look so good right now. I want to ask you, Elvis, how do you look so good even in this horrible situation?
I invented the moonwalk.
Oh boy, let me try that.
Michael Jackson just stole my move.
Watch that boy. Here we go. Watch it, boy. Where he go? Here come that boy. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Here comes that boy. Twat. Here come that boy. Alright, anyways. Let's actually look for a tape recorder in this video. I'm going to see if we can actually find one. So...
I know where one is. In fact, I'm pretty sure we've already passed it.
Alright. Well, let me check this. Let's see how long my thing goes.
I just wanted to...
Man, you're cutting off really bad.
Ooh, 7 gigabyte download going, Zach.
It's dangerous, go alone. Jeffrey?
I'm gonna die. Because I went to the water and you cut off the trail.
Well, I found these statue-looking thingies. There's a vase, a vase, and then there's one missing. This is not creepy at all. I swear this is creepy.
Zach, I'm probably gonna die while I'm doing this, but I'm gonna pause my download real quick. Oh, it's already... Wait, is it paused? No. Okay, we're gonna cancel download. Here we go.
You know what, YouTube? I'm gonna give you a special treat. If I actually see the monster, I'm gonna run up to him and give him a big... I'm gonna give him a big old bear hug.
That'll be the end of your video, Zach.
No, I'll be a ghost, and I'll haunt Jeffrey, and I'll cause him a terrible time.
You have to end the video when you die in this game. That's how it works.
Jeffrey, that's not how it works. You be quiet.
Hey, Zach, I found Slender's cave.
Alright. I found these monstrous hippo skulls.
Wait, how come it hasn't appeared that we are alone yet? Because I'm pretty sure we're really far.
I found a cave. That's probably where you just went.
Are you behind me then?
Yeah, I see your beam.
You're not... Oh my god, you scared me, Zach. Oh,
I bet I did. Well, you know what, Jeff? You can eat it. Eat it.
Alien egg.
Oh, really? Can I give it a hug?
Oh, I'm staring at it. I probably shouldn't stare at it for that long.
Yeah, I can see my screen going static. I'm not going to do that.
My screen is extremely static right now. I just had a...
Jeffrey, look at these statues. These are some man statues of man.
It's the side of Shrek Fantasy.
It's man. Man, look at those abs. They're man. I hear something.
He only has a 6-pack. You're supposed to have a 12-pack. Plus an egg.
That alien Cthulhu egg is like glowing and it's sparkling. Jeff, where'd you go? Jeff?
What are you talking about?
Where? That boy, twat. There he is. Barf. I am a skeleton. Lord. Hey, Jeff.
By the way, we passed the tape recorder. I'm just gonna say that.
This is...
Zach, you like to taste your own medicine?
Oh, the bright light. Oh, epilepsy warning.
You like to taste your own medicine, Zach?
Yeah, Jeff. Hold on, let me just not stare. Not stare at your awesome hair. It's such beauty hair. Oh, look, I mean, signpost.
As Elvis, I also came up with the high-pitched sound that Michael Jackson stole from me.
Elvis.
Because it hurts my voice.
Elvis, you know there's a guy right behind you that wants to give you a free hug, right? It's me. I'm the guy.
I'm gonna die because I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die, Jeff.
Hey, look, the alien egg's following us. Wants to join us on the adventure.
That's awesome. Guess what? We have found no tape recorders. We suck, and it's on
We
easy.
passed one. I just walked by it. I thought you were gonna get it.
Jeff, I was ahead of you. You dummy. Time to go in.
I just got some static. Must be slender nearby. I've already been in this cave, and the egg is following us again. Are you sure this isn't him before we get the tape recorder, Zach?
That's a Cthulhu statue, Jeffrey. That's not him, actually. That's a Cthulhu statue.
Come out of there. You never know. You gonna come out of there, Slenderman?
Mr. Monster that murdered like 1 million people.
Hey, Zach, you want Mr. Monster to appear?
Yeah.
Look at me. Zach, look at me. Mr. Monster's gonna appear out of nowhere.
Elvis, what are you doing? Oh no! Elvis! You ghosted it. You're a statue. Oh! Elvis! It's you! Elvis!
Yeah, this is me now. I died in real life. I don't remember. That's how I died.
Put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane.
Am I supposed to run in front of you or something, Zach?
Born on down in a pouring rain.
You're gonna die. Can I run? Zach. Okay, Zach, start running. I want to see if I can keep up with you.
Alright, ready? La 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 la.
God dang it, you can't run as a ghost.
I know. Ghosts are slow for some reason. Where'd Casper go? Elvis! Elvis Casper!
Okay, Zach, you go ahead and do what you want. I'm gonna draw a picture on the map so you can't put this on YouTube.
No, Jeff! Jeff!
It has to be a big picture, Zach.
I'm gonna ruin it.
Remember, we're different colors, Zach, so it don't matter.
But I can cross over your path like 1,000,000 times. Well, you know what, guys? Jeffrey's trying to ruin me. He's trying to put me off YouTube, so I want to quickly find this monster here by turning off my flashlight, running in circles.
You know, this is gonna be a short video if you do that, Zach.
Actually, guys, you know what? I'm gonna have to cut this video short, so I'm gonna run up, give Cthulhu a hug, and see what happens. Whee! Love it. Oh, gosh, it has hands. And I'm dead. Thank you, YouTube, for watching my very first video. I'm gonna pretty much do stuff like this.
Wait, Zach, that was 7 minutes?
It's more like 8. I can record up to 15, I'm pretty sure.
Keep recording, Zach, keep recording. You gotta record the end.
I'm gonna record till the map pops up, then I'm gonna turn it towards me and give YouTube a great old sign off. See? This is where Jeffrey's gonna fail at doing something he wanted to. Too bad! Alright, YouTube. That was my first video. If you really liked it and you want to see more of more games me playing, me playing more games, leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Have a panda-awesome day. That was a horrible pun. I suck.